Hey everybody, I wanted to get a video out here because I found a new device. When it's dark, you can't see, customers don't have their address labeled well in their home. They may not even have their porch lights on. It actually can become a little bit frustrating and kind of scary at times. I've actually knocked on wrong doors before, and the person who answered the door didn't order food. It was dark, it was 9:30 at night. That could actually become a dangerous scenario. So I found a really cool stocking cap that has an LED light on it. So here's the hat. I want to show you guys. It's just a regular old stocking cap, $9.99 off of Amazon, and I can throw a link on here as well for you guys. It's black. It comes in other colors, gray, camouflage, maybe some reds and blues, not sure. But it has a little push button to turn on the LED light. It has three settings, so a high, medium, and a low. And then to shut it off, you just push it one more time. The one cool thing about it is that it is actually removable and has a little USB charger right here that you can actually plug in to your USB charger and charge it on the wall. I want to show you guys real quick as it goes into the outlet. It's pretty nice how it actually shows you the red light as it's charging. Once it's completed charging, it'll turn green. You're ready to put the light back into the cap and go out for at least 2 hours, probably more. I haven't tested it out much longer than that, but 2 hours out, turning it off and on gives you a lot of time. Once you're all charged up, you simply just take the USB out of the charger, line up the tab with your little waterproof lid, and then flip up your hat like that, flip it up, and just insert the light right back into the cap. It just literally locks right in, and you're set up and ready to go. Then, when you're hitting the road and you're out there in the dark, you can't see anything, and you just stay a little bit more warm, throw that sucker on. It's decently stylish, fits snug, has good elasticity to the headband here to keep you nice and warm and it stay tight on your head. And then you just click it on. 1 for high, 2 for medium, 3 for low, 4 for off. That's it, guys. A quick tip for being out there, being more comfortable, being more safe.